Keeping your ears clean is essential for good hygiene, but traditional methods can be ineffective or even harmful. That's where modern ear cleaners with built-in cameras come in, offering a safe and precise way to remove earwax while giving you a clear view inside your ear. These devices use high-definition cameras, LED lighting, and wireless connectivity to ensure a thorough and comfortable cleaning experience. Whether you need a tool for personal care or professional use, these advanced cleaners make ear hygiene effortless. In this list, we'll explore the top 5 best ear cleaners with cameras, helping you choose the right one for your needs. Stay tuned for the best options available. Number 1. LEIPUT Ear Cleaner with Camera. The LEIPUT Ear Wax Removal Tool is designed for safe, precise, and effective ear cleaning. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, it delivers clear, real-time visuals, helping you remove wax safely without guesswork. The kit includes 6 soft ear spoons for a gentle cleaning experience and an 8-piece ear set for versatile use. With wireless compatibility for iOS and Android, you can easily connect it to your smartphone for a seamless user experience. Its rechargeable design ensures long-lasting performance, making it a convenient and reliable tool for regular ear care. Plus, it's FSA and HSA eligible, making it an excellent investment for your personal hygiene routine. Perfect for home or professional use, ensuring clean and healthy ears effortlessly. Number 2. DEETOK Ear Cleaner with Camera. The DEETOK Ear Wax Removal Kit offers a safe, effective, and high-tech way to clean your ears with precision. Featuring a 1080p HD camera, it provides real-time visuals to help you remove wax safely and accurately. The Otoscope with light ensures clear visibility, reducing the risk of injury. This kit includes 50 replacement tips, making it a hygienic and long-lasting solution for ear care. Compatible with iPhone, iPad, and Android phones, it connects seamlessly for an easy-to-use experience. Its rechargeable design adds convenience, while its FSA and HSA eligibility makes it a smart investment for personal hygiene. Whether for home use or professional applications, this advanced tool ensures a clean and comfortable ear cleaning experience. Number 3. Ntgiso Ear Cleaner with Camera. The Ntgiso Ear Wax Removal Kit is a high-precision tool designed for safe and effective ear cleaning. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, it provides clear visuals to help you remove wax accurately without causing discomfort. The 6 built-in LED lights enhance visibility, ensuring a safer and more thorough cleaning experience. This kit includes 8 ear picks, allowing for a customizable cleaning approach suitable for different needs. Compatible with iPhone, iPad, and Android devices, it offers a seamless connection for real-time viewing. Its ergonomic design and easy operation make it perfect for home or professional use. Whether maintaining personal hygiene or assisting family members, this advanced tool provides a clean and comfortable ear cleaning experience. Number 4. Edicc Ear Cleaner with Camera. The Edicc Ear Wax Removal Kit is a high-definition ear cleaning solution designed for safety and precision. Featuring a 1296p HD camera, it provides clear and detailed visuals, ensuring accurate earwax removal without discomfort. The 6 built-in LED lights illuminate the ear canal, offering better visibility for a safer cleaning experience. This advanced otoscope is compatible with iPhone, iPad, and Android smartphones, allowing for real-time viewing through a seamless connection. Its ergonomic and user-friendly design makes it easy to use for both adults and children. Whether for personal hygiene or professional use, this earwax removal tool ensures a comfortable and effective cleaning process, making it an essential addition to your home care routine. Number 5. KAUGIC Ear Cleaner with Camera. The KAUGIC Water-Powered Ear Cleaner is a safe and effective earwax removal tool designed for gentle and thorough cleaning. Equipped with a built-in camera, it provides real-time visuals, allowing for precise and careful ear cleaning. This electric ear irrigation kit features 4 cleaning modes, ensuring a customizable experience for different sensitivity levels. The water-powered system offers a gentle flush, making it ideal for removing stubborn wax without causing discomfort. With 10 replaceable ear tips, it ensures hygienic use for multiple sessions. FSA and HSA eligible, this easy-to-use kit is perfect for home care and is suitable for adults seeking a professional quality ear cleaning experience. Stay clean, safe, and comfortable with KAUGIC.